So here we have a brand new install of Windows 10, and we're going to proceed to install Inkscape and Inkstitch. In order to install Inkstitch, you must have Inkscape already installed. First thing you need to do is load up your browser and go to inkscape.org. Click the download now. Windows installer, MSI. Download has started. And the download was pretty quick. Outstanding. We can go ahead and click open file, or you can click the folder button to go to that folder and then open the file. Either way, open the file or go to the folder and double click. That will begin the install process. Next your way through everything. Unless you really know what you're doing, there's nothing here that you need to change. Now that we have that done, I'm going to close this out, and then we're going to go to inkstitch.org. Click the Install Inkstitch button right here. Click the Windows button for the install option. And then click the Download Inkstitch, whichever most recent version shows here. Right now it's 2.2.0 for Windows, but when this video gets a little older, this will be a different version. Just click whatever's showing up here and it will download. In the folder. And you can do the double click. Stitch, double click. Hit next. Again, unless you really know what you're doing, don't change any of the default options, which in this case was just the install location. Don't change that, or Inkscape won't know where it is unless you know what you're doing and you can point Inkscape to it. We can click finish. Outstanding. We have everything installed that we need to have installed. We're going to go to Inkscape. Inkscape new. The first time you start Inkscape, this is the screen that'll pop up. Just hit save, hit thanks. Right here, you can uncheck this box right here to not show this little window every time you start Inkscape. And instead of showing that little window, it will go straight into the application, as you see here. If we go to extensions, Inkstitch, about, we have Inkstitch properly installed. That's all you need to know that you have Inkstitch properly installed. And that is it for the install. So that's a really quick little video, and I hope that helps. And as always, until next time, thanks for watching.